Hey scavengers, we are going to go ahead and show you how to set up an order on Exometry. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and create a new account, sign up, right? And I'm going to go ahead and put our email address in there. All right. All right, and we're going to create a name. Okay, this is your information, so go ahead and do this. Choose an option, get instant quotes, job role, other, choose an option, how do you learn about Exometry, referral, online search. Create account, agree to the terms, create account. All right, at this point, you're going to want to go ahead and click on Start a New Instant Quote. You're going to select your files. What I did here was I went to our website here. You can see the 4 files that are here. Each one of these files has information in it. Right here, this is the type of material you're using. 5052 is the type of aluminum. And then this is the size of the thickness of the aluminum you want to order for each part. So you're going to want to download each one of these parts right here and go back to the website. I've already downloaded them. You're going to select all 4 of those parts, click Open. Now right here, are there any parts in this quote subject to export control regulations? This right here is what's called ITAR. I work in the government site, so ITAR, what that means is if you're making something that is for the government, like a weapon part, you know, you want to make sure this part is not made outside of the U.S. So we're not doing that. We're making robot parts, so you want to select no, this quote does not include export control parts. Click confirm, and it's going to load all your parts into your quote. Okay, once it loads all your parts into the quote, you'll notice the name of the part right here. It's going to have at the end of the part, it's going to tell you the size. We did that on purpose. You see right here, it says 040, this says 5, this one right here says 375. We did that so you don't have to go back and look and see what the part is when you're reconfiguring it. So because when it loads all these parts, they default at 0.125 inch, we have to go ahead and edit the configuration. So click on each part. We're going to edit the configuration, aluminum 5052. We're going to change this. This is the 1/2 inch for the ribs, so we're going to change that to 0.5, and then we're going to change this sheet cutting detab and deburr to as cut, no deburring. It's because we're making raw parts that we're going to clean up ourselves after we assemble them together. You know, part of the process. We're going to put as cut, no deburring. You'll notice the price goes down when you select this option too. All right, once you select that option and change it, you want to change this, the economy price, and it should change them all to economy, and then we're going to go to the next part. We're going to edit that part. This one right here is 040 is the thickness, so we select that, and we select as cut, no deburring, price drops. We select save configuration. We go to the next part right here, the skirt donut. We edit configuration. We change the part to 375, as cut, no deburring, save configuration, And then the final part is this one here. We're gonna go ahead and edit configuration and change the part to 125. It's already 125 because that was default, so we're just gonna select as cut, no deburring. Save configuration. All right, so all the parts are selected, right? You'll notice it says 329 for the total. We have everything edited. Now we're gonna go ahead and click on apply promo code. Here's where we're gonna put in SCAVENGER25 and hit apply. Quotes and prototypes. Okay. Continue to checkout. And now we're at the checkout here. It's asking for our shipping address. You'll notice the price did drop significantly, right? Because we're getting that discount code of $82. This is where you're gonna go ahead and put in your shipping address, payment and all that, and you're gonna go ahead and hit complete, right? So we'll notice here that it went from $329 to $247. That's pretty good savings for the skirt. That's a really good price. Let me go ahead and